You rich yo. The selector them find you out. You never know the selector them are go find you out, yes. You rich yo. The selector them find you out. But you in a dance and wind up yourself, but you rich yo. You never send your money come a yard. No, you alright that. Boy get the pot come down in a one pants. Broke another money, me no response. She no have no house, she no response. Cause she never want buy no house, so she no response. What's up, people, my family, what's up? Why, people? Me say the selector them find out Marcia. Me say selector see Marcia in a dance and wind up and a go along with herself. And one song selector draw. Marcia face drop down like puppy want feeding. Marcia face drop down like lappy dog. When she hear the Buju Banton draw, you rich yo. You never know say life hard. Why you never send your money come a yard? Why get the port come down in a one pants? Broke another money but me no response. Abiding city but you want come pressure for me ranch. Boy, they are foreign, not a line, not a letter, nor a 50-cent stamp. Anyway, people, this video is not about Marcia. This video is about, you know, Lady Germs. Yeah, people, this is about Lady Germs versus Everything. But before I get into this dissecting of this video, people, Lady Germs, as you know, I try to change him name from Baby Germs, which that name I me give him that name from just come YouTube. Call it 2 years ago. But I feel like him grow past being a baby. Him still in a baby stage, but him grow past being a baby by age. So, him no Baby Germs. I mean, I feel like I should have called him no man, you understand, or no adult name. I more feel like him becomes Lady. So I say Lady Germs. So I see him come out and he might look sympathy, he might look pity that them take down him Facebook page. Right? When we go upon it, you know, see nothing them tell you say this page so more blah blah blah. But people, my honest opinion, and this is my thought now, them not take down the page. Remember, this is a guy who come out, come tell you, say, he know the ins and the does and the outs. Where come out, him learn a lot and him know a lot. And he has done it before, like many others who do this to gain sympathy, attention from people, and to make others look like, say, boy, you know, they are so against people. And that is what he's trying to do here. Like many others will do it. Because he's not the only one. And him do it already. To make people say, Lord God, them dangerous, see, them couldn't load the boy on him page. Them never have to take it down. Despite him terrible and him whatsoever, the whole of them have platform. So if him terribly against you, all you have to do is come back out on your platform and terribly against him. Don't sit down and talk, oh, I'm not going to make me be somebody who I don't want to be. The best thing for me to do is take down his platform. Wait. That's how we want people to do. For me, if I'm me alone, people, I not take down nobody platform. Yes, I not take down nobody platform. I have a platform. If you tell me, say, me hear red, and me feel like, say, me not like it, me come back out here when me a Christian a million times. All when God hold me and I walk across the river, me beg him to let it go. And me come out here, come tell you my mind back. And if it's a counter, like a football, you counter me counter you, I saw it go. One of we must stop. Or one of we must drop down along the way. Or one of we must get thirsty along the way. Or one of we must have gaita along the way. But it will stop one of the day. And the winner be the winner. But nobody no want to lose. So probably is the easier way out that. But for me, people, nobody not take down that boy page. That boy hiding page. Even in this video, at the end of this video, when me have done dissect it, me have point out something when him said to you. I don't know, pick sense out of nonsense. Alright? So stay tuned. Lady Germs versus Heavy Tongue. Because it's like the grace come out. Tin mackerel. Oh, Billy beef. Oh, our butter bean or a broad bean. Me don't know. Come out in defense of herself with something what he must say and whatsoever. I remember, you know, I just few weeks ago, you know, when you hear me do one video where he might try form alliance with her when she did come out with the Derek saga. When Dana did say what she said about Derek and them blew it out of proportion, she was one of them who come and she posts up how much negativity we have been said all across social media, Pamphia page. So some things where him saying that this is true. Because when you are a gusher, you never only just come out and voice your opinion towards what Dana did say, where Derek is concerned. You come out and everybody will come out and say something. You go so boom and you repost it on your page. So what you're trying to say? When you go do something like that, tell me now, where the message you are sending? Is a negative message you're sending towards the woman and what she said. So it wasn't just about your opinion. You're also sharing other people's opinion and other people who have done it in a very disrespectful manner. Not just a normal manner for you to say, okay, me have to post it because I show you say, I know me alone. I think, oh, me I think, say, what she say, Ray. See it, Harry say, John say, Tar say, Ray. You know? You post all the ones them what saying some derogative things about the woman during voices their opinion about the Derek saga. Who remember the Derek saga what I'm talking about? The same one where Dana him can go work on a rubbish truck and him can't cook tin mackerel and allow the lavish lifestyle of cooking, of eating food, this, that and railway. You understand the Chinese food? Yeah, that same saga. So when the Lady Germs I say, yeah, so him not telling a lie still. But I like it when I go out to one another. Because I said just 2 weeks ago, he might try farm allegiance. So I could start here, so people. But take it as I tell you, no page no take down for him. This boy either hide the page or do what him know if he do. When me might not know or the next person don't know or the next person don't know if he do. We have a Facebook page or because some of these people are far advanced than some, you know. And that's no doubt about it. You understand? Some of we are still learning. Even him might ahead of me or the person there. But you still have people who is far ahead of him. So it's the mind, the head space and the mind where you have to learn the thing, you know, will advance you as you go along. And you now can learn everything one time. Because it's going to take time. And you're going to learn what you want to learn presently. And when you go so boom, and you master that, you move on to something else. Because honestly, there's so many things I never know. I never did know how to make a thumbnail. I used to have to call my technical person to make thumbnail for me. Now I want to call that technical person when there is things that I have not opened my headspace towards yet that I find difficult to do. I want to call that person to do it at that time. But like thumbnail, certain little things, I learn along the way. So you will learn along the way once you open your headspace to learn and willing to learn. So some of these people are far advanced than some. So him know how to hide the page, and that's what him do. Hide the page. Me I tell you that because I want people to come out here, come look bad. Oh, them take down him page, you saw them cruel, you saw them steer, them this, them that. Yeah. And that him want, the recognition. Let's go.
Some days I get pissed off, right? And when I do get pissed off about something, I come and vent. Do I go on continuously over and over and over and over and over like every day, like 300 days a year? No, I don't. You see what? You know.
Me know no phone, this is another person who don't like, you know. But as I said, the work have to go on. The work will have to go on. The content will have to come and put on the channel to keep the channel alive, keep the algorithm of the channel. I try my best not to come out with another Marcia video because I've done like 3 back-to-back with her, and this is not something I like to do. I feel like if I do 2 back-to-back video with a person, I don't want to see that person for the 3rd time. But at the same time, this person might be out there, as I said, trending. This person might be out there saying so much things that they don't say it in one video or one live then. And I can't bring it even in one video because sometimes these people live run for 3 hours, 4 hours. I don't know how them do it 2 hours. You understand? And I can't play a live for 4 hours. Dissect a video with a live for 4 hours. So I might go into that live and I see something when I want and I make a video with it. And then further down when I continue listening, something else come and I can take another video and make another video from. Yes, so I'm going to go ahead. So sometimes I might find them back to back. But away from that, not something I really like. So please, me I tell you no, I feel the same way like I want to feel sometimes. Yes, man. But the work have to go on.
She's trying to hide her true self. She's like a damn, she's like a warlock, hide herself. And hoping for the Planks to come on board. Planks, if you want to go on board with her, go on. Planks, I am not forcing that one. Even well, I am not forcing.
But you or she not have no control over Planks, as what you say. You or she not have no control over Planka, you know. You can't tell Planka to go over there, so. She can't tell Planka to go over there, so. You don't have no control of doing that. The Planka them go whichever place them want to go. And the thing about it, Planka got the all about. Because you have the Planka them go everywhere because them want to know who is against Planka. Them want to know who is saying bad things about 99. And in order to do that, them have to go everywhere. You have some people, them don't go nowhere. Them have 1, 2 or 3 platforms where them stick with. And like a platform like my one now, you have people where them not go over the fence, them not go over the fence, them not go over the fence. But what them do, them know say, my platform where them support, I go bring it come. I don't must bring everything. But them know if something out there is a possibility, they're likely to see it over here. So them sit and them wait over here. You have another set of Planka where go out there, go create problem. And when me I say, me not gonna say no fake Planka. You have some real Planka when them go out there and them see certain things, then can't hold them finger. Yes man, me I tell you honestly, them can't hold them finger, them a go type. When they hear certain things or see certain things, they will type. And for me, it's not a good thing. Hold your own. Tomorrow morning or later down, you come out for the next platform where you know say, boy, yes, that is one of your platform. And you want to voice your opinion in the comment section now, you voice it. Or if it's a platform, well, you take to your platform and say what you have to say. But don't go in and feed them comment, go create no mystery. You understand? And then now you have the one them where we know say them they are fake. They are the ones that go around bearing the name Planka, put on the uniform like them a nurse, and them a doctor, and them a police, and them a fireman. Feel look like, and go they go create havoc. For the blame come back on the fire service, for the blame come back on the police. You understand? Because that is their intention to make me, you, she, him look bad. Just like how them build fake page with my name and going at people comment and other people name. So now I have to understand. You understand? Yeah, man.
It's not wanting to come back page, not wanting you. But go on a fear page, right?
But uno not have no, you know, uno can't dictate to Planka.
Sooner or later. She make it seem like
The two are the same thing. No, are different. Two are the same thing. Remember, you know, The two are like two cousins over planka shop one time, you know. Two different sister, two different brother pick me, you know. Put it that way there. In a family terms. The two was like two cousins over planka shop. And two cousins where you would have said the family love. Let me say, uno was two cousins, two different brother, two different mama picnic, where it over planka shop, where the family love. And one of them now, uno bite the hands that feed, you know. And uno end up in a, you know, a confused state of mind. That we don't realize that the support as two cousins in a planka shop, we used to get. And the family used to support them to a high level. After I messed up, I now get that attention no more. You couldn't just hold no own and know say, boy, me are the one who did messed up. You go ahead and create all kind of havoc for bring down the breadwinner of the family. And then the rest of relatives see it and say no right and decide to stand with the breadwinner of the family and go against Uno. Uno get confused, Uno do all kind of things, Uno chat all kind of things. And when it a work for Uno because the enemy campsite now kind of start joining Uno, put out what Uno say, play back memories, all kind of something. After a while, Uno say that nah benefit Uno. Uno will circle around the corner and come people over the family yard. I want to chat some good things and some rare, but that now come from the heart. That is just to try to gain the attention from the family over the yard. So, uno in and uno out for uno own gains, not from uno heart. So the two are the same thing.
I'm done. And I'm done. What's the issue? Isn't this something to be happy for? And it's no one plan so when I tell so on one come cost that every day. And it's no one plan so one me come cost that every day.
It don't really matter. Whether every day, every other day, every week or you stop, it no matter at this stage. It's not matter at this stage. The last straw break the camel back. Your life far sad. All my people bear in mind to draw for your earpod or what you call it something there again. What you put over your ears. Yeah. Because at one point he's going to cuss a lot of curse words. Alright? Like when him head take him. Yeah.
Every time I almost tell people go cuss that and none of time to do you do it all the time? No. But sometimes you come out, you gotta hold yourself down. I feel like the same thing for me. But I know when to say enough now and move on. And I'm moving on now. Come on, my blood clot back and one. Oh, come on, come back here. One. Get off my back. It is what it is. Me done.
You're a scorpion, you carry your picnic on your back, you're a scorpion.
Done cuss on one, done cuss on one. Go. And let's be real. I didn't even know I spoke about the whole Derek saga until someone told me to show me. I don't come to your page. I don't. I'm a police. In the comments right now, they tell me about say the time with the whole Derek thing too. I'm sorry, I'm coming here with you say. See how you that you don't matter. You don't matter to me, girl. You don't matter. Fuck off.
When you only like me when me come up and talk about Derek.
Yeah.
And Dana.
Yeah.
And they said that I'm really like when you don't on the table and you talk to the people who should be privately. You didn't like me at that time, but true.
Yeah, that's all the time when him jump up. Come Gracie, make up put the difference aside. Gracie, come. Come Gracie, come. Unblock me, make me unblock you. Yes, Gracie, come. Unblock me. Make up put the difference aside, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. We don't have to be friendly, but make up put the difference aside. Yes. Yes. Yes, talk about things them, Gracie. Bust up the things them. Bust them up. Yes, Gracie, bust them up. Bust up the things them, Gracie. Yes, bust up the things them, Gracie. That was the same time. And him come out here and try Farm Alliance. Gracie, we can work, you know. Make us work together. Then one video go do after that with she now. I say, you know, say we are the two best. We are the two best person for work, you know. Yes, man. Yes. Yeah, like she were thinking about it. Because are two great persons to fabricate stories, you know. Yes, man, two great persons to fabricate story. Them is like a genius in a sense where social media termites are concerned. They are the genius type of termites in a certain way. Yes, man. Them can orchestrate things. May I tell you?
So am I out talking against Donna? Am I on it? The guy's a fucking idiot. You see, he's a damn fool. You is a big stinking clown who you don't deserve my attention. You actually don't. I know this is what you want. You like when I give my attention. I bet your pussy jump. I bet you. I bet your clit twitch.
But all know when them something they jump.
Your clit twitches.
All know when them something they jump, clit and this and that and all know. You have any experience with woman? I don't know. I hear him here or him listen stories or him read books or him watch movies. Oh, you could all watch a lot of porn. Okay. Because him naturally him don't know nothing much. Him don't know not about nothing much. Him don't know nothing about them something the way woman is concerned. Him don't know nothing.
Come and see that nasty girl. I know. This is what you like. You like when I talk about your clip in Twitch. Yeah. I see you now. I see you now. My police, if you ever call my phone again with anything about this person on anyone's page, I'm officially gonna block you out of my phone. Because you don't listen. The only people I want to hear about is people that matters, not these unscrupulous dogs. Understand? Hear me very well. I don't hear about these people no more. I don't. Because every time I hear about them, it gets me out of character. And I don't like it. I don't like it. You see, I was peaceful. I was peaceful all afternoon, all evening, and then I got this dreaded phone call. Why did you call me? Perhaps you called me in hopes of getting this reaction. You police, you know yourself.
Then I hear people them. Are you set them up like that, you know? And them know you love the negativity. Whether any truth is in it, you love it. Because you just like the mix up. And you know, when you run with the mix up, you got a lot of views for the mix up, whether any truth is in it. So why try break a tree now that it get big? I cut, you have to cut it down. You understand? Cut, you have to cut down the tree now. And the tree is so fruitful now that it bear and it big and a bear. You don't want to cut down that tree there. You not talk now. Like you don't want them send you nothing. Because you're upset with what they have sent you at this point. So you pretend like you don't want. But you gonna always want that the tree there, man. Because the tree they're fruitful to you, you know. You hear what you call them? Your police. So you send them a road for the police people channel and police what have been said out there. Whether about you, me, he, she, or the old lady. But you might have a few where you tell them to start those pages. I need most of my information coming from those pages. Because those pages might be big name pages. So you might tell them to start them more. Yeah. Police, you call them, you know. Your social media police them, you send them go search. Like them work with the Caribbean search team. A sniffer dog them.
I'm getting a
A sniffer dog again. You send them go search. You have said that multiple times. You said that this week to the Tuesday, you say it, and by Thursday you do it. You can't fool nobody. Once beaten, twice, that can't go on again. So help me, Lord.
I just want to move on in my life. These people, they will never like me. So why continue to push myself?
And who you blame for that? These people, they will never like me. So why continue to push for that? Who caused that? No, you caused that, man. Are you caused that, you know? Despite, really, there's a few people might never like it. But it was just a handful. Back then when you were a part of the shop. And those people did not like you because of anything you have done. But it's just your ways. Because you have people don't like you for many things. But because of your ways, people never, you have some people just never take on to you. Probably all you used to in the comment a comment. Probably all everything you type up, your call. You know? Always trying to force in yourself. So you have people might just not like you for that. Because you have people not like you for simple things, you know. Simple things people don't like you for. But it was just a handful and it wasn't not much. Like now, where you turn against 99. For what reason? Nobody know. You understand? Because she have done you nothing wrong. The main thing that we see that you accuse her of. On that day, on that given hour, minute, you never have a problem. Oh, no, auntie man, I'm okay. No, auntie, I'm okay. I'm okay, auntie. Well, I mean, never know, say I saw you stay the way. Never know you walk with stick, but the way you need them look swell, man. Yes, auntie. Yes, auntie. So you sick? Yes, auntie. Yes, auntie. I have hey, wait. Sit down on the chair. You leak out, you wet up the chair, you this, you that, fly follow the chair the whole evening, night, morning, them have to dash your chair. Because one amount of Dettol and disinfectant couldn't make fly stop follow your chair. You understand? Nothing ever wrong. You go away and make enemies call you and go in your ears like them a Q-tip. You understand? And go down in your ears, go up in your head and tell you things. Oh, you know, sister, I disrespect you. I talk about your sickness, this and terror, not a, and you buy into it. And you come out, you come vent against the woman. You understand? You come out, you come vent. Remember, you know, you never see nothing wrong with it on the day. Until hours or days after you leave, you come out, come vent. You can't tell me some people go up in your head. People go up in your head. So, all the way you talk about so no, and nobody's fault. You understand? It's yours.
On them, what is the point? What am I getting out of this morning? Heartache continuously. Raise blood pressure, raise adrenaline, nothing. They will never like me. That's fine by me. It's fine.
Now you set it so, man. You set it so you cause it.
Any one of you call my phone with any of this bullshit, I'm gonna fucking block you. Because you don't fucking listen. Or you keep on triggering me. Stop calling my phone.
No, you give them job. You give them work for those, so them do them work.
Nobody call my phone. Nobody on social media. Let me go back and mix up myself.
Some people, now him give them work. Figure police social media. So when them get the news where him want, how them are gonna know which one him want from which one him don't want? And him to take it and sieve out where him want from where him don't want. You understand? And send them back a road to work again.
Let me go find my conversation myself. I don't want nobody to call my phone.
Yeah.
Nobody. Nobody. But here, let me go find my own conversation to come on my life with. Not call my phone. We don't want nobody to call my phone. Anyone I'm not on the phone, I'm gonna delete my number on your phone. Delete my numbers out of your phone. And I'm gonna go take my number down off this page too. I'm gonna take it down. I don't want none of you people to have access to me. Because now you don't have my best interest at heart. When I like them to come on my page and act a damn fool. God, listen to fucking like.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
Man, head chip. Or I pretend him, I pretend.
Don't like me, leave me alone. I know now you don't like me, leave me alone and God.
I hear people them, so them I like you. Them always are carrying news to you, so all of a sudden them I like you. Now them same man I carry news to you all along.
Delete my numbers out of your phone. I'm done with you people. I don't want no call my phone.
Abandon the Facebook too. You don't know nothing about that. Leave that part there alone, man. You don't know nothing about that part there. Leave that alone.
Stop calling my phones. Don't ring me. Delete my numbers. When I laugh, I'm not laughing. I'm at my wit's ends now. I'm at my wit's ends with all you people. What's the nerves? If my page meant to go down, let me bring down my page myself. Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm up online. Hello.
Every tongue and our friend up on the live now. Come flag the win.
Body care. Today, must go live. And him see the views and what me get. I ain't know it born him. I feel like said the
First of all, if I want views, I know how to get views. You want to tell you, I give you. Bear in mind, I have videos on my page that has way more views than videos on your own page. Remember, I mean, was and still can be the viral king out. I'm not going to start post videos every damn idiot. Your phone. You see, I just want to know, it's all this views thing that's bothering a lot of you people. So, one now can have a picture. What I say?
them I put on pretty scream, pretty scream I feel. Everyone loves the money. The cash up on the Zelle. And him say Grace is a competition to himself that time. Oh, it come and it blam the story, you know. And at the same time I blam the story, I mean come out, you know. I mean come out. Cause they get too much views for the video today. They get too much views. So I come and must send me I really fancy my look because it's not relevant. Because no matter what you say or what you do, it cannot compare to what he did to her. Somebody with every day, the way of the game, pick up a ball and say, the boy sick my stomach from day one. But I've got mixed up Queen page there, and I tried, push Carona, I say Carona and what's your name there? And Tommy under the page. And he knows that him on the page. And everything, no part of the goodness that we're gonna do. Don't show up a mix up Queen.
Remember for two them did say him have a page name him control mix up Queen. Me did hear the argument did that go around where there was a lot of things that set on the page there. And people that wonder who own the page, till people go around and find out say him are the owner for the page. Remember that time there, but me no remember say it did go that deep where them say I carry one and Tommy Fair. So how them they mix up the past me? You see me tell you say me now go hear everything and me can't hear everything. You understand what me I say? It come like me have to go have some real police over here like the way. But at the end of the day, is where me feel like talk about me I go talk about when you no send me. Me not go do like him come out and have a meltdown. No. Cause people can send you something. And you sister it gonna make you have a meltdown. Or your sister know something where you should talk about. Or your sister know something where you get involved in it. And you still get involved in it. You still come talk about it. You still make it give you a meltdown. No. You have your police them out there. As according to where you say police them. Your social media police them. Them send you things. The buck stop with you. Whether you come out come talk about it. Or have anything to do with it. But at the end of the day, don't blame your police them. And you put them out there for work. And them a work. Them a bring where you want come. So you sieve and pick and choose where you want from where them send come. You understand? But me never know say that part that it said though. Me never hear that. Tommy Fair and Corona. Him come out come say at them run the page. So him did a try bantan. Oh, I saw them stay for you, you know. If them feel like say you are 99 and move too good. Or 99 I give you too much highlight. Or 99 I call your name too much on our platform. Then find something thrown up in a 99 head with. And two them know say sometimes simple little things you chip already. And next thing I got chick now she go say, yes, Corona. Me never know say your tan so. Yes, Tommy. Me never know say your tan so. Yes, speak me mind. Yes. And then run with it. Just like in the last year, man. When she come out and she say what she say about me and the next two ladies, I don't know who is the next two ladies. And them run with it and twist it and terms it. But me as a sensible person, me understand the whole thing and the point and where she get at. And as me tell her, say, when she come up to my face and drape me up and cut me two wax, blah, blah, blah. Don't call me name. Blah, blah. Me know why you call me name. Me know why you call me name. Don't call me name in your mouth. Me know why you defend me. Me know why you this. Come tomorrow morning or later. When I come out and say nothing. I don't say if I see him when I come out I can say something and talk. She can't stop me neither. But I saw them stay, them don't want to see you too close to 99. Whereas if they was there before and they messed up, gosh, hey, them would have do anything to get rid of you.
Let's hear this part again.
Then I who me? Are you shut up? Now Gracie calling people then. And I who Gracie talk about? No you. But if I your share talk, then I want me. I mean, I mix up Queen page.
Why? We're not adjust the part, but don't want to mix up Queen part. I'm not. no said that page owner of that page was in Canada, right? Live in England. Gracie, you is a mad bitch. You're fucking mad.
So why you don't want to adjust a part? Adjust a part, you know? Come clear your name. Because up to today, it has been said that you own the page. Why you want to adjust the other part? Adjust this. Clear your name because you're accused of trying to mix up two other persons. So them operate the page. And the two persons you're trying to mix up, one of them is close to 99 to a level, the lady, the woman in England. I want to know carry on as somebody who always in the comment section and carry on and do little business with the cake business. You know, say come to think of it, me I wonder because me don't know, you know. Me don't know if anyone want to know tell me because me notice despite Carona still come around when cake time and buy her cake and stuff. I wonder if that make Carona too in the social media. She might still watch, but that will comment the way. You know, normally you see Carona in the comment. Because I can remember back in the days, Carona, Chantel, me, where many people never know saw me at the time because I did upon my next Facebook page, which is my first Facebook page before they speak my mind and stuff. So enough people wouldn't know saw me, and that was before me even have a YouTube channel. You know, we were. And a lot of people, Crystal was saying, and you know what, I can't remember the month away. And we used to in the comment day in, day out. And I noticed really and truly for the past, put it 2 years, year and a half, I've not seen Carona participate in the comment section like then. And, you know, I think this year when she come and last year, people were asking, whoa, Carona, I don't see you. When she come and down at the panel live, people in the comment ask her and stuff. And she was say, boy, you know, she said she's busy and whatsoever. One night time me I wonder if, you know, stomach full up or what, and she just have to take a back seat because, you know, family and way. But no, this have been brought to my attention. Me I wonder if this was one of the things. Why? I don't know. I'm not saying, you know, I'm just wondering, you know, why she end up to just take a back seat from, you know, comment section then. Because you don't know if you're on the live, nobody can know if you're on the live, especially on YouTube. Facebook you might see because your ID might pop up and stuff. But YouTube nobody can see and stuff. I wonder if that's why she take a back seat. Just saying, me don't know. Because him did I try to mix her up. Because I try to draw with a friendship there. That, that's what they stay. They lose it, they want everybody to lose it.
Make that make sense. Make this argument make sense.
After your boy have so much content and so much mix up, eh? What she has said? Make that make sense. May we have so much mix up, eh? And so much content. If Grace don't, me don't, make that make sense. That the man said.
Make that make sense.
What you said? A nonsense that are no sense. That are nonsense and no sense at all. That will never reach dollar sign. Them the sense they never reach a dollar sign. I was on the live that day there. I live and I see it dead or something like that. Yeah, I see it. Somebody come talk about it.
Why would I expect someone to get up every day and cuss one person? I'm some other man. So
But you have done it for about 2 months straight. So ask yourself the question. You have done it for about 2 months straight. Dana, 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 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, big greyback, big greyback. You have done it for over 2 months. So ask yourself the question. Even to whisper to yourself and say, did I really do that? And how did I do it? Me no know how me did do it. You come out here and ask the public. Ask yourself, because you have done it.
That means that the one I wanna have me to be a mad person who gets up every day and cuss people, or just get up every day and just cuss one person. So that's what I've been in love. I said, if she's thinking like that means that's what I wanna think. No. It's not all of you think. If she's thinking like this was the one I don't think like this. Fine.
Took it plan to them over, yeah. But do you 2 weeks ago, Mr. Do you say?
No, that's you want, man. That you want, you know. You don't know say anything concern Planka, you know. Once the mix up involve Planka, you don't know say, me just said earlier on. Plankas go on platform for different reasons. And you have different type of plankers. You have plankers, as I said, they are real supporters, they are real planker. But they are different types. You understand? You have some where they can't come on your page and hear you talk on the bad about planker boss and planker and them no type. While you have some who just listen and not say nothing. And go up on the next platform go talk. Or if there is a platform holder, them take to feed them platform. So you have different type of planker. So that you want, you're glad for that. Hey, the planker, them over here. Yes, because it involves planker. And it involves doing who is a hater and the person page who them depend. And probably considers that too. Shaky.
Listen, I feel like I get triggered now, I get triggered. Any one of you, listen good, any one of you who deems my page unworthy to watch, don't watch. Don't. Okay? When I force them.
But when you say you not force them and they must watch, but when them now watch, you see the views now come and you see you now get no super chat, and you see one cuss. When you turn on your live and you look and you see all on the 30 somebody, you jump off. 30 somebody and 2 likes, you jump off. So it come like you turn mass you know, cussing the people them, telling the people them say you don't need them, but at the same time, when you go to boom and click and you don't see them and support you, you have problem.
None of you to come over here. I am not. I promise you. Am I bothered? No. Don't you see? My page. You know, a lot of my tools, right? A lot of my tools, ever since these people have...
He might go down to nitty-gritty now, not tenasa. Him going down to nitty-gritty now with the part him want to listen. So I listen keenly. So when me go and point it out, you get the understanding of what me I say. And what me did say in the top of the video about him hiding that page. Him not lose the page, him hiding the page.
And to attack me. Look, wanna see anything different gone? Anything else gone? What you see and can't see? And but now when I put my hand there, I just won't. She can't get to me. She can't get to me. No one can get to me. I'm not ignoring her, I'm not ignoring her.
She does, because you behave right now. How you behave till you turn against all your own police them. See, I get up in your head.
That is fake towards me already anyway. What the fuck can I want? I swear, I would delete this blood clot, but I would delete this shit and remove my pussy clot by social media. I would just fuck up the one and one and leave me alone. I'm tired of you people. All of you. I'm tired of all of you. I just feel like I'm done with all of you too. Most of it's fake to me. Most people.
Just like how it was fake to 99.
Fake to me.
Fake no fake, real no real. You're fake.
And I'm tired.
That's how you know the fake then.
I'm freaking tired.
Now you breed fake, man.
Every day I come out here, I try to do different things. I just don't try to dwell on one person or two. I try to do different things, a variety of things.
You might come up to that part then now. Listen.
That's good enough for them. Leave me alone. If I don't like me, don't come here. Simple. Simple. Let peace reign.
I just 2 weeks ago listen to him do that.
You might come up to that part there soon.
Lies. Lies from the pit again.
Don't see? Yeah, you never come back up.
Accept you're doing it.
Or him say it already.
I don't care if you guys want to accept me. I don't care.
Or him say it a while ago when him talk a minute here.
I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. It's fine. Or never like me from morning and know that you don't like me. Nothing changed, right? Nothing changed, right? Nothing changed. So what is the real issue? Why is this girl so bitter and upset? Why? When she herself is no better than I am. She's done nasty things too. Right? She has. So what's the real issue?
Look like him say it already, people.
Grace, you're lucky here. You're lucky. And you know, honestly, I don't want nobody to call my phone again with no bullshit. I don't call my phone. And last I this, don't call my phone with no fuckery. But take out the number of social media just now for a reason. I'm removing myself away from a lot of you. None of you, I don't want you to have access to me one time on the city. I'm a live come on. But then I'm like, it's the only time when you come interact with me. If you choose to, don't call my phone. Thank you.
If they accept your ticket. It's not a problem. It's not a problem.
You look like him say it just before I'm in a ear, man. But what I was trying to let you know here, people, him say him remove him page. He said that in this live. Him say it just before the last part where him talk. You know the part before him talk, it look like him say it. But to me I have it so further down him say it. Say he will remove his page. And if you are gonna make a statement like this and few hours later your page is not available, then you come out and make it look as if somebody take down your page. Yes, I wanna finally win. Yes, I wanna finally win, I wanna finally do it. You think sensible people are gonna believe say your page take down whether I take down or not? With that statement that you make just before the page come off, say you will remove your page. People, now I tell you now again, him not lose no page. Him just try to make people out there look bad, or it might feel like say boy against him certain way, and you know one other person there now guess no spell about it. You know one other person there where him I go try to, you know, make it look like that man the responsible or the man of England, the baker of England. You understand? Him I gonna make it look like that man that is one of them who responsible for doing that. You understand? So him I try to paint that bad picture there, like as if, okay, see it? Them against me so much, see that them take down my page. So, you know, people are gonna have sympathy for them and say, no sir, them too cruel, them shouldn't take down him page. Because the whole of them have them platform and the whole of them do things and the whole of them do wrongs and the whole. So why you go? Yes. This is the picture where him I try to paint people, but I him take down the page. You understand? And me not gonna lie, as me say, me not believe that I take down page something there. Everybody have them platform, as me say. If somebody come out against you, come out on your one And if you feel like you can't deal with them more cruel around them deal, you just deal with them the same way. You understand? And till who give up or who win, who drop down along the way because them can't go the distance. Just, you understand what I say to you? But me not believe in it. But if I saw something, I can't do nothing to help it. Me, I just want somebody. You understand? I mean, I can't voice my opinion. But me not feel like in page get no take down. Based on what me the thing so before me even hear this video, when me just see it and hear me say, wait, me don't tell me say nothing. And when me hear this now, it convince me say him not lose no page. I don't know what chance see. And when him care about that page, I'm gonna tell you say, boy, I suspend it, did suspend. They were investigating in page. Yeah, watch and see. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself. Me know as me say, boy like all them a lady germs, them don't want to hear them. But we have to bring the content as me say. Majority are who over here, 90-95% are who over here not going anywhere else. So it's my job to bring what is going on outside. And as me say, as a supporter, if you don't want to listen to this video, to support the channel, you just put on the phone, the phone play. YouTube now watch you. To see if you use a naked you watch a video. And make the phone play and the video run, the ads run. All you do when you hit on the video, you just go boom and hit the like. Same time and put on the phone. You understand? You don't have to comment if you don't want to comment. Just hit the like button and make the video go and play. So the video get the ads them. Don't only just hit the like button and come off because I speak my mind and me a support and me a support him channel. That now go count. Me not get paid for likes. The channel not gain a revenue for likes. It gain revenue by you watching the ads. And the way to watch the ads, the video have to play. Because you don't know when the ads are going to pop up. You understand? So you have to make the video run. So when the ads pop up and the ads play out, yes. And for the people who skip the ads, please don't skip the ads. If you're a supporter, don't skip the ads. The video now going away. When the ads are run, the video now cut out. You're not going to miss nothing. The video stop. You understand? So, don't skip the ads. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel, Life is a Mission TV. And I must say bless up to all of who support Life with Gabby and Chevy cake sale yesterday. You know, and still bless up to who never support. You know, because everybody might never have it to support. Some people might never hear about it or whatsoever. But bless up for all of who support and reach out to them personally. And the two little person will reach out to me and say, boy, I like how you say XYZ. You're going to make it be a part of your give back this month. Yes, bless up on yourself. You might not want to the name call, so I'm not calling the name. You know on yourself. You understand? Bless up. It was a wonderful one. When I reach out back to them last night in the day after 11, them said they just have a few little plain cake left. And them just share it up and give it away. But based on what them say, it was all over. Well, me now go deep and ask them if it was profitable or what. I did not go that far. For them business that. But me just glad for know say it did work out. So bless up to who reach out to them directly. And the two person who reach out to me and add to me where me could have add my little dollar on it and buy some cake also. And just give it out randomly. The video will be out soon. And the video will start with a fail give back of April. You understand? Where I should give 2 DuPont students assistant in lunch money because of the parents' pride. Them deprived. The kids are achieving. You understand? And that the world could have seen these kids and probably, you know, be an assistant to these kids on a monthly basis where they make sure them have them lunch money for go to school. Because them too proud of themselves, you know? So bless up on yourself. I will show you that feel when I start to package the money. Me do everything leading up to drive, go to the school, video the school outside compound, go into the school now. The only thing I never do is when I talk to the teacher, I didn't put her on camera. And then when I talk to the parents, I did not put them on camera because, as I say, you have to talk to them, make them understand what is the procedure first before you put nobody on camera. And they refuse. And if me I go help you, or me, when me help you, you're gone. Only for people that want help. You understand? And if you can't make me create that as a content, I remember content me get paid from so me could have helped you. It's not show me want to show you up, say you collect something for your people because you don't have nothing in your life. But it's a content that gain me what I gain to give you. So if you can't give me back a content from what I am doing for you, so I can help the next person, where the sense, it don't make no sense. And this is where some people don't understand. They want to say everything you give people things that you put up on camera, clout here, look. No, it's all about content. A content me I earn from to make you have something. So I want a content from you so I can earn. So next month I can give somebody else something. You understand? But them would I run out in front of CVM as me say on TVJ. But something if it benefit them now do that. But if one man, some boy, like a careless boy do things in a road and police, because a bam and knockings go on. And them drop and kick a bucket. Them run out, oh, him did this, oh, in front of CVM and them face up in the camera, yeah. And them bleaching and sweat off, yeah. Them not no pride there, so. But for them child get something where probably them can hardly provide, them have shame face. Bless upon yourselves. Stay tuned and watch that video. So if you don't subscribe yet to Life is a Mission TV, go on over there, go subscribe. Over there, them type of video they post. Alright? Thanks for watching. Bless upon yourselves.